अब यसो गर्नु यो अक्सिजन जान पाउनु हुँदैन के यो हो अब तपाईले अब टिभीओ जस्तो लाग्छ बिस्तारै खोल्नुहोस् वहीँबाट द्वारा हो यति नै आउँछ आयो भने फेरि बन्द गर्नु होइन भने यति नै आउँछ
Oh my God!
Scary explosions caught on camera.
Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Holy fuck! Oh shit! What the?
Vai, vamos sair! Серега! the shocking moment captured earlier today in a Pennsylvania neighborhood. This monstrous explosion was the terrifying result of a mysterious house explosion occurring, resulting in the passing of 5 people and injuring 3 others. The explosion destroyed 3 homes and damaged around a dozen others on Rustic Ridge Drive. The incident also caused flames to spread to nearby houses, shattering windows and causing walls to crumble. Emergency medical workers treated 57 firefighters for minor issues during their response to the explosion and subsequent fire. The cause of the explosion is under investigation and is expected to take a long time to determine. Gas and electricity were shut off in the affected area as a precaution. The president of the gas company reported that their system was operating as intended, and gas workers were quickly dispatched to check for leaks. A gas leak is currently the leading theory over what might have caused an explosion of this magnitude in such an unassuming location.
Oh, look how thick they are. Look at these lines. Starting to droop.
Yeah.
They're starting to get farther out that second line over there too. Well, there they go.
Oh, God.
They're running out of power! Yeah, baby!
Holy fuck.
That felt great.
Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh my god! 扔开！扔开！Oh my god！这下严重了，走开！